Do you experience this problem? When you want to access the data folder on Android 11, 12, 13, and 14? Don't worry, in this video I will tell you how I can access the data folder without any problems. Here's the tutorial. The first thing I did was install two apps, namely Shizuku and ZArchiver, both of which are free on Google Play Store. Open the Shizuku app. Tap Pairing via the Wireless Debugging option. Then tap Developer Options. Make sure that USB debugging is active. Then connect your Android phone to any Wi-Fi network, even if there is no internet connection. Activate the wireless debugging feature. Tap Allow. Then open it. Tap the Pair Device with Pairing Code option. Then enter this 6-digit pairing code in Shizuku's notification. After successful pairing, reopen the Shizuku app. Then tap Start. And the Shizuku server is now running. Open the ZArchiver app. Tap the three dots button. Select Settings. Then open the Root menu. Select the root access type with Shizuku. Then turn on the three features below. Now, try accessing the Android data folder. And you're done. With the method I did earlier, now the data folder on Android 11 to 14 can be accessed without problems. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.